Good morning, interweb. I am Lon Kieffer, the retired comic. I'm out on my morning walk wearing last night's Bingocize shirt. We had a hellacious Bingocize session last night. Let me tell you, it took a lot out of me. And I'm happy because this is a day of rest. I have no shows tonight. Dickens Parlour Theater. It's not dark, but we're not doing comedy this weekend for various scheduling reasons. And that's good because this is my anniversary weekend with my bride, who I speak of often, lovingly, to lift her, never punch down, lift her up. Getting better with camera work. In my humor, healthy understanding of moments others recognize. It's our anniversary. So we're going to go out to dinner at the Bon Appetit. Bon Appetit, local restaurant here in Seaford that I've had the pleasure of going to for, 30 years. Anyway, no show tonight, but tomorrow night at Dream Big Venues, we're going to have a lot of fun, and this show is interesting. It's called the Lon and Juan Show. It's going to be, it's co-headliners. It's going to feature me and this old, grizzled comic by the name of Juan Dixon. Do not like the dude. He's a hack. He does nothing but cuss a lot. I mean, he's funny. He gets laughs. But he drops the F-bomb like every other effing word. And real contrast from me. Nothing like my humor. And I don't know why, but they booked him to follow me at Dream Big Venues. It's going to be a heck of a night. I can vouch for my set. I think you'll have a great time. And no, we do not have the bar at Dream Big Venues, but you can go, there's a bar right down the street that you can go to before and after the show. And anyway, it's going to be the Lon and Juan Show Sunday night, Dream Big Venues. And the reason that we picked Sunday night is to reward, it's Server Sunday. The idea is offer an inexpensive local option for servers that are out there working while you all are out, others are out there partying, and this is a chance for them to have fun and experience some live comedy, and for this dude Juan Dixon to stalk me one more time. When he goes up, I'm leaving, but it's going to be a great time, so I'll put tickets in the link. Hey, did you see the stupid, I still don't know how to do these lives. I'm supposed to do captioning, and I haven't figured out how to do it, so I'll keep working on that. But did you see the video of me walking out at Baltimore Comedy Factory Outlet Thursday night and dancing? It was ridiculous. They were playing music, and I didn't know that they wouldn't stop until I gave them the cut sign. So it got really awkward. You might want to check that video out. But more importantly, come check us out at Dream Big Venues tomorrow night. That's Sunday. And we will have a great time. Peace. Yo, Brody! This Facebook Live stuff works. My grandson is just entered the chat, as they say. What's up, bro? Love you, man. Hey, I want to come down there for Grandparents' Day in early October. Hope you're enjoying school. Glad you're kindergarten, man. You're a kindergartner. I'll see you soon, buddy. Love you. Oh, everybody else, are you still here? See you Sunday night at Dream Big Venues.